Ballygally Castle is located 3 miles from Larne and overlooks the Irish Sea. It dates back to the 17th century. The small room on the castle is known as the Ghost Room. You can stay at the Ballygally Castle as it is now a hotel. And its restaurant is situated on a beautiful stretch of the shoreline. It's a spooky place because people often see ghosts there. Conwy Castle in Gwynedd, Wales, was built for Edward I by Master James of St. George. The castle is amongst the finest surviving medieval fortresses in Britain. Edinburgh Castle is Scotland's most famous castle. It is a very famous place and around 1 million tourists visit it every year. It is a very unique castle as it was built on top of an extinct volcano. The Tower of London is located on the banks of the River Thames. The tower is guarded by the yeoman warders or beefeaters. 8 black ravens live in the tower. There is a legend that holds that if they ever fly away, the tower will fall down. Vocabulary: date back, fortress, spooky, ghost, unique, extinct volcano, medieval, guarded by, raven.